The Sangguniang Panlalawigan of Pangasinan has invited representatives from the Department of Public Works and Highways or DPWH and Department of Environment and Natural Resources or DENR to answer its queries on a massive tree cutting in the province. It can be noted that a total of 1,829 trees are identified to be cut for the road widening project undertaken by DPWH, which was allowed by the DENR. A member of the Provincial Board has reiterated that they were not informed about the tree cutting.
The Sangguniang Panlalawigan was never consulted, was never informed in advance. Neither affected Sangguniang bayans and civil societies were never informed of this criminal act.
As to date, around 1,200 trees were already cut, leaving some 600 trees standing. The probe came after several groups aired their calls to save the remaining trees in the province. Former Pangasinan Congressman Marquez has earlier admitted pushing concerned agencies to cut trees along the national highway in the 5th District of Pangasinan. Cuanco said that he is willing to attend the Provincial Board's question hour should he be invited to explain the essence of cutting the trees in the province.
Maging balansyado po sana kayo. Tignan nyo yung economic reasons. Tignan nyo yung reasons for development. Tignan nyo yung plano namin para magtanim ng puno sa labas ng right of way na magre-resulta na mas magandang kalikasan doon sa stretch ng highway na yon sa buong 5th Distrito ng Pangasinan kaysa ngayon bago kayo humatol sa ginagawa po namin. Pag naintindihan nyo na po yan lahat at kung saan kami gustong pumunta dyan sa plano namin, tsaka nyo po kami hatulan. Huwag masyadong maaga ang hatol.
Running priest Father Robert Reyes, one of those who led the protests in Pangasinan, meanwhile has reiterated their calls to save the remaining decades-old trees in the province.
Yung nagsasabing isang board member nakakasuhan. Salamat po, yung nagsasabi, kasuhan nyo po ang DNR, kasuhan nyo po ang DPWH. At meron nagsasabi dito, mag-file kayo ng TRO, magising na po ang bayan ng mga mamamayan ng Pangasinan. We are here to support you. But this is not only a local issue, it is a national issue. Pampanga has been contacting me. They're also cutting trees in Pampanga. Therefore, all over the country, this should be a precedent that what is happening to Pangasinan should not happen anywhere in the Philippines.
It can be noted that the devastation brought by Typhoon Yolanda has generated fears among the public due to the grave damage it caused to livelihood and infrastructure. This has become one of the major reasons of green groups to call on the government to save trees, which they believed would help in lessening the devastating effects of calamities. The government meanwhile also wants to pave way for growth and development for the betterment of the country, which prompts an endless battle between advancement and preservation of nature. For GNN, Raych Marquez, News Force.